Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the Lansinoh manual breast pump. I'm going to be assembling this pump for you guys while we talk about some of the key features that this pump offers. I'm also going to be going over some pros and cons, as well as sharing some of my tips and tricks, and also letting you guys hear the actual sound that this pump makes when you're in the middle of a pumping session. But before we get started, I would like to make a disclaimer that I'm not a lactation consultant. If you're a new viewer, my name is Isabel, I'm a first-time mom, and I hope that my experiences and reviews can help other moms on their breastfeeding journey. Let's get right into today's video. So first things first, I want to talk to you guys about pricing. You can find this pump at many different locations, such as Buy Buy Baby, Target, Walmart, and Amazon. I can tell you right now that Walmart and Amazon carry this pump for $17, whereas Target carries it for $24 and Buy Buy Baby carries it for $29. So if you're looking to get this pump at a really good price, I would suggest going with Amazon or Walmart. Now, when you receive your pump, it's going to come in this box right here. Inside of your box, you're going to find a pump body, your diaphragm, which is 2 pieces, your handle, 2 different size phalanges. So it's going to come with your standard 25mm phalange and then a 30.5mm phalange, which is for a larger size breast or nipple. Your 5-ounce bottle, where the milk is going to fall into, 2 valves, a bottle nipple and lid, and a sealing cap. Now let's assemble our pump while we talk about some of the key features that this pump offers. So there are 8 pieces total to this pump. So first we're going to start with our diaphragm. Your diaphragm is 2 pieces. You're going to want to place this white piece right inside of here, just like that. We're going to place your diaphragm on the top of your pump body. You want to make sure that the white piece is underneath so that it can't come out. Your handle is going to attach right into the white piece of your diaphragm, and it will click right in. And we are going to come back and talk about how there are 2 modes for this pump, a stimulation mode and a letdown mode. Your phalange will go right into here. Your valve will go right into the bottom of the pump body. Your bottle will be screwed right into your pump body, and then your stand will go right on the bottom of your bottle. Now, I want to go back and talk to you guys about the 2 different modes that this pump offers. So in your diaphragm, the white piece has 2 lines. If you were to place your handle onto the top line and click it in like so, when you pump, this is your stimulation mode. So this is what's going to stimulate your milk to come out. However, if you click it onto the second one, it gives a much tighter suction. That one is going to be for when your letdown has come out. Now, I am going to be honest with you guys. I didn't know about this until months into my pumping journey. So I always just clicked my pump into the second one and I pumped that way. And to be honest, it worked fine for me. I personally just prefer to pump on the stimulation mode, but it's whatever you find is comfortable for you. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons to this pump. This pump is very lightweight and it's a really good size. You can see by my hand that it's neither too big nor too small. I also really like that they give you 2 valves just in case if you misplace one or one breaks. The stand is also a really nice feature if you want to leave this pump maybe by your night table, or even if you're going to be placing your pump down on a carpet after your pumping session. It will make sure that the pump doesn't fall over and spill all of your breast milk. This pump is also really nice that it comes with a bottle, nipple, and lid, so you can feed your baby right after your pumping session if you need to. But if you don't want to feed your baby right after a pumping session, I also really love that the sealing cap turns your pump into a milk storage container. This is perfect if you need to travel or you want to place your milk right into the refrigerator. You can remove your 5-ounce bottle and pump into one of their 8-ounce bottles. I'm not sure if with their hand pump you can pump into freezer bags, but if you're looking for a way to get your milk safely into a freezer bag without the milk spilling everywhere, I do have a trick that I would like to share with you guys. So after pumping, you can remove your flange, open your freezer bag, place your flange right in the freezer bag like so. And you can use it as a funnel to pour your milk inside of. Then you would just remove your flange and seal off your milk. I also find their phalanges to be very comfortable and smooth when you're pumping. They have a soft, flexible silicone rim, which is designed for comfort, and it's also designed to have a more secure fit around your breast. And my favorite part about this pump is that they do offer you the 2 different flange sizes. I've personally purchased other pumps that only came with 1 flange size, and I ended up having to spend $10 to $15 more just to buy another flange to be able to fit on my breast. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're picking the right size flange. So if you have a bigger nipple, you're gonna wanna go with the 30.5, but if you have a standard nipple size, you're gonna wanna go with your 25 millimeter. What I can tell you about their phalanges is that they do only come in these 2 sizes. So if you need a smaller size than the 25 millimeter, they don't carry one. But I can give you guys a little tip if you're looking for a smaller flange to pump with. The Medela phalange is actually compatible with the Lansinoh pump. So if you do use Medela products and you are looking for a smaller phalange, that's one way that you can get a smaller phalange for this pump. Now, I do have a few cons to this pump that I want to share with you guys. Within the first week of me using this pump, I noticed that the suction stopped. So I disassembled my pump to figure out what was going on, and I realized that my valve had actually ripped on the corner. Now, if you take a look very closely, their valve is very fragile. So when you're cleaning the valve, you want to make sure that you're cleaning it very softly. Luckily, I did have a spare valve, so I was able to use that one, and the suction was back and working perfectly. Another con that I have of this pump is that when you're pumping, the pump is very quiet while you're pumping, but the handle makes a clicking noise against the pump body in the middle of your pumping session. I'm going to insert a clip of me actually pumping with this pump so that you guys can hear exactly how this pump sounds. Now, that might not be a problem for you, and if you're looking for a way for your handle to make less noise, you're going to want to just pump a little more softly and make sure that the handle isn't hitting. So all in all, if you're looking for a reasonable price pump to leave by your nightstand or take with you to travel, this is definitely a pump that I would recommend. Lansinoh has some really great products, from their nipple cream to their freezer bags to their disposable and reusable breast pads. So if you guys are interested in me giving a review on any of their other products, just let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you guys are interested in some of my other manual breast pump reviews, you can watch these videos right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments below. Once again, guys, my name is Isabel. I'm a first-time mom. I hope you guys all have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.